Hello everyone, welcome to Junior Research Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about important chapters in the family law for UGC NET December 2018. In the last two videos, we have already discussed about the important chapters in constitutional law and jurisprudence. And if you haven't watched the video, you can go and watch the videos. The video links are given below in the description. In this video, I'm going to talk about the important chapters in the family law. But before getting started with the important chapters, I would like to start with the syllabus first. Then I'll delve into the July 2018 question paper in family law analysis, and then I'll move on to the important chapters. So without wasting any time, let's delve into the syllabus first. I hope you people have gone through the syllabus very well, so I am not going to get into detailed discussion of the syllabus, but what I am going to do is just browsing through the syllabus. So let's see what we have in the family law syllabus. In the family law syllabus, we can see there are 7 chapters, and out of the 7 chapters, we can see there are different segments like concepts in family law, sources of family law in India, marriage and dissolution of marriage. This is quite vast and it can include all the marriages like Hindu marriages, Muslim marriages, Parsi marriages, Christian marriages, all the marriages, and also dissolution of the marriages. Now we can have adoption and guardianship, maintenance under different acts, then we have matrimonial remedies, and then we have uniform civil code. So these are the 7 chapters that we have in our syllabus. But there are certain chapters that have been asked in July 2018 question paper. So let's move on to the next segment where we will see what are the chapters are asked in July 2018 December question paper. If we analyze July 2018 question paper, there were 9 questions asked from family law portion, and these 9 questions belong to different chapters in the subject. Let's look at this table. In this table, we can see 9 questions were asked from different chapters, and these chapters like Hindu Marriage Act, except the divorce portion, carried 4 questions. So divorce is quite important for UGC NET December 2018. Now getting on to the next part, that is Muslim marriage and Muslim divorce, both contained 2 questions, 4 marks. Adoption was there, guardianship was not asked. Adoption carried 4 marks and 2 questions, whereas case laws contained 1 question. So total 9 questions were asked. Certain chapters were there, but certain chapters were left out. So in the next segment, we are going to discuss what are the important and also the left out chapters for UGC NET December 2018. So let's move on to it. In the analysis of July 2018 question paper, we have seen there are certain portions that were asked in July 2018. The portions like Hindu Marriage Act, the portions like Muslim marriage and Muslim divorce and adoption, these are the portions that were asked. But what are the portions that are important for UGC NET December 2018? Let's see what are the portions are important for UGC NET December 2018. These are the 6 portions that are important for UGC NET December 2018, and we don't want you to miss these 6 chapters for the revision before going to the exam. Among these 6 chapters like divorce under Hindu law, the section 13 under Hindu Marriage Act, that's quite important because Hindu Marriage Act, the 4 questions were there in July 2018, but none of the questions were asked from divorce. So divorce is quite important. And the concepts under family law, especially concepts like Stridhan, concepts like pious death, all those concepts that were not asked in family law, so those questions were quite important for December 2018 as well. If you talk about sources of Muslim law, that's important too, because sources like Ijma, Qiyas, Quran, all those things were not asked as well, and these are really very important topic under Muslim law. So those things are important as well. Now getting on to guardianship and adoption. Adoption was asked, but guardianship wasn't. Both the things are important for UGC NET December 2018. I don't want you to just leave adoption just because adoption was asked in July 2018. Both the things are important. Guardianship, adoption, both are important. But the next thing is quite very important because maintenance under different statutes like CRPC, Hindu Marriage Act, or any other act under family law, that was not asked in July 2018. So these questions are really very important for UGC NET December 2018. So maintenance is important, and the next part is uniform civil code. I hope you people have gone through a lot of articles and a lot of case laws for uniform civil code, so you can expect case laws from uniform civil code as well. So these are the 6 portions or chapters that are quite important for UGC NET December 2018, and we don't want you to miss this 6th portion for revision before going to the exam. And in the next video, we are going to talk about important chapters in law of crimes for UGC NET December 2018. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are interested in UGC NET tips, tricks and techniques. If you are finding any good book regarding jurisprudence and objectives of jurisprudence, a list of courts, a list of Latin maxims, list of books and authors, list of jurists, you can get the book Decoding the Jurisprudence. The book link is given below. You can check out in the description. Also, Junior Research provides UGC NET December crash course and July 2019 HIve course. You can check it out as well in the description. Where do you stand in your preparation? If you want to know that, take our free mock test right now and get to know what to revise next. The link is given below in the description. Until next time, thank you. See you soon.